Here's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.